Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very simple everyday look, but first, as usual, I will be starting off with my brows, and I'm using this brow pencil that I got from my local beauty supply store. It's from Kana Cosmetics and it's in the shade brown black, and I'm just going to use that to sketch my brows out and just slightly fill them in. Okay, and now I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. gel eyeliner and this eyebrow handle brush. The e.l.f. gel eyeliner it's a brown color, but it's in the shade coffee, and I'm just gonna use that to fill in my brows a bit more. Now I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey to clean up the bottom of my brow. And I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn for the top. And using a blending brush to clean it all up. that's it for brows, guys. Now I'm moving on to my eyes, and I'm using this big eyeshadow from NYX, and I'm gonna be using that lightest color at the end there, and I'm just gonna use my finger to sweep this all over my lids. And I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm using the shade Sienna, and I'm just going to sweep that in the creases in a circular motion, just back and forth, sweep that all over, blend it out. And now I'm going back to my palette, and I'm going for that darker brown shade in Cypress Humber, and I'm just going to use that to deepen the crease. Now I'm bringing that color down to my lower lid. I'm just going to blend that out. Then I'm going to line my eyes with this e.l.f. gel black eyeliner. Now we're going to be adding some mascara, and the mascara I'm using is by Maybelline New York, the Rocket Volume Express. It's one of my favorite mascara to use. And after that, I'm just going to go add some lashes and move on to face. And before you guys add your lashes, guys, make sure after you add the glue, you wait at least 30 to 60 seconds. I have no patience. I usually just put the glue on and go straight for my eyes, and then I struggle a little bit. So have a little patience. And now we finally move on to face, and I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey, and I'm using that in my T-zone area to highlight my face. And I'm going down the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, a little on my forehead, above my lips, and on my chin. And I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend it out, and I'm gonna go straight in to set it with a little bit of powder, and you can use any powder you like. And now to warm up my face, I'm going in with this BH Cosmetic Matte Finish Pressed Powder in the shade 255. And I'm just going to use that in all my contours areas. Now, I didn't use foundation for this look. This is my everyday go-to look, and I usually don't use foundation. I just use concealer to brighten up under my eyes so I look more awake. And now I'm using that same shade to contour my nose, and I bring the contour just a little bit up into my brows, just to make my nose look a little longer. And now I'm using setting spray, and this is my setting spray. I will put the link in the description box. And I'm going back in with that same baked eyeshadow. I also use it as a highlighter. I just use the more golden shade for a highlight. And now for lips, I'm using this brown lip liner pencil. You can use any brown lip liner pencil you like. I'm just using it to line my lips. And then I'm going in with Ruby Kisses Forever Matte in this shade Dune. And I'm just going to use that in the center. Just adding a little bit more and using my finger to blend. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned and I'll see you right back here on my channel. Until next time, bye.